Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the CapCut color correction and overlay tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can do the color corrections. And first you need to go to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, you need to lower it into -5, and then the contrast, saturation and exposure, increase it into 15, like this, and go to sharpen and increase it to 100. Click on a check icon and then go to overlay and add this overlay. So I got this overlay right here from TikTok. You can just screenshot this, or you can also search it on TikTok. Click on add, fit the size, and then go to blend and select overlay, then lower it to around 50. And now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so if you like with this color correction, you can just follow what I did in the video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.